nagpupunta ako dito, nagtataka rin ako kung bakit merong mga ganitong parang military or scout dito sa atin. Ang mga tao po na nakikita natin dito ay ang tumulong para mahuli o matakip si Emilio Aguinaldo na nagtago sa Palanan, Isabela. Alam niyo po ba, noong 1901, ng American General na si Frederick Funston ay na-recognize, sila ay later on tinawag na Macabebe Scout. At pagkatapos nito, dito na nag-start ang Boy Scout. Macabebe Scout. Macabebe Scout was organized on September 10, 1899 by Major Matthew Batson, ignited by town people's desire to retaliate against revolutionary forces under General Emilio Aguinaldo, who destroyed the town, and number of people supporting the Spanish government because their knowledge on river routes and bravery and military skills. They helped the smoothest American operation in Luzon on March 23, 1901. Philippine Scouts originated in Macabebe.